testing a temperature dependent resistor is not a big job. Use a Ohms meter with enough scales here. So here 1 times, 10 times, 100 times, up to 10,000 times. And connect your temperature dependent resistor in series with the meter, so parallel to the COM and the red one, volt, milliampere ohms, etc. And then heat the resistor up, and I use for that aim a soldering iron that I hold close to the resistor. Of course, don't touch it, but the soldering iron gives us enough heat to test it, and when we heat it up very fierce, the pointer of the meter moves. You can see it now, but the variation of this resistor is too small. So for normal general use circuits, the temperature dependent resistor must move between, say, 100 ohms and 10,000 ohms, 10 kilo ohms, or 100 ohms and 100,000 ohms. So I have perhaps some more of these resistors, and I'm gonna find a good one, and when it doesn't work I can use here a germanium diode, because a germanium diode, and they are here, many germanium diodes. A germanium diode also acts very sensitive on temperature changes. So that will be my next test. I connect here, for instance, a germanium diode reverse in the barrier mode, and see what happens when I heat up that germanium diode. And perhaps it will work even better than a specific temperature dependent resistor that was made for that purpose. Anyway, it's all experimental and you can test it.